This is a 2014 to 2019 Kia Soul. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Louis on Automotive for letting us use the car today. They have a full service auto repair shop in Toronto, Canada, and they also have a YouTube channel. Check them out for engaging automotive content and car buying advice. Check the link in description. Go ahead, open the driver's side door. Now right there, that's the primary hood release lever is, so pull it. In front of the vehicle, right underneath the Kia emblem over there, on the right edge, put one finger in there and push it left. Now while it's pushed left, lift up the hood. And now the hood, once it opens up, it's going to go up and stay in place by itself. Let's start with the passenger side bulb first. Now that's the bulb. The way to access it is from behind it. Go over there, and that's the bulb holder over there. In order to get it out, simply grab it and twist it left a little bit. Just a little bit, it'll be loose. That's it, twist it left like that, and now it's loose, and all you have to do is just grab it and pull it out straight. It's going to slide out straight, and there it is. In order to get the bulb off, just grab the bulb and pull it off straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb, but it'll come right out. Let's take a closer look at it. The bulb size is 168 or 194. Check the link in the description if you want to upgrade to LED bulbs. Get the new bulb and align it with the pins there and push it in. Now let's put the bulb holder back in. It's going to slide right in first, and when you are doing so, just make sure it's sitting flush. See, if you can see this orange O-ring, it's not flush. You may have to sort of wiggle it around, twist it around a little bit, and now it's looking good. At this point, all you have to do is just twist it right a little bit to lock it in place, and you're done. Moving on to the driver's side one. The driver's side is the exact same process as the passenger side one, as I just showed. Just as easy, same process, same bulb, but I'm going to do it just so I can show you that it is actually in fact that easy. So let's go ahead, twist your left and get the bulb holder off. To get the bulb out, same thing, just pull it out straight. Same 168 or 194 bulb. Put it back in, put the bulb holder back in, and let's pause over here and look at the position of the bulb holder. On the right is unlocked, on the left is locked. Once you twist it right, you just have to twist it right a little bit to go from unlocked to locked. And that is pretty much it. Now in order to close the hood, you have to lower it and then push it and then slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.